Imagine the ground beneath your feet starting to hum, then a roar, a blast, a tower of fire punching into the sky. That dramatic eruption? It's not random, it's a pressure story building for years, sometimes centuries, and then releasing in seconds. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how volcanoes erupt, hook to heart, with a simple model you'll never forget. Okay, think of Earth as a layered cake with a hot, gooey middle. Deep down, the mantle is solid but so hot it flows like ultra-slow caramel. At plate boundaries, or over hot spots, rock melts into magma. Not because it gets that much hotter, but because pressure drops, or because water sneaks in and lowers the melting point. That melt collects in pockets called magma chambers. Here's where the sure buildup starts. Molten rock, crystals, dissolved gas, mostly water vapor and CO2. As magma rises, pressure drops, gas comes out of solution, like opening a soda, and forms bubbles. Those bubbles expand, pushing harder on the chamber walls. That's your pressure cooker. Viscosity is the secret sauce. Runny basaltic magma. Think Hawaii, lets gas escape. Boom potential? Low. Sticky rhyolitic magma. Think Mount St. Helens, traps gas. Boom potential? Off the charts. The more silica, the stickier the magma, the bigger the buildup. Now picture a dynamic cross-section, a chamber, a narrow conduit to the surface, and a cap of solid rock, like a cork. Magma seeps in. The chamber inflates. Tiny quakes rattle the crust. The ground swells. Gases ramp up at fumaroles. These are the telltales volcanologists watch. When pressure inside beats the strength of that cork, two paths. Effusive, lava, oozes, or fountains because gas slipped out steadily. Broad shield volcanoes, fiery rivers. Explosive, gas stayed trapped. Bubbles expand violently. The magma shatters into ash, pumice, and glass. The cork pops. The conduit flashes to steam. A jet of ash blasts upward at hurricane speeds. Ash columns can punch into the stratosphere. If the eruption column collapses, it forms pyroclastic flows, scalding clouds racing downslope. That's the dragon's breath you never try to outrun. Sometimes the chamber empties so fast the roof caves in, creating a caldera. Later, new domes can rise like blisters. If a dome plugs the vent, pressure reloads, and the cycle repeats. Quick recap. Melt forms from a pressure drop, from heat, or from water. Magma pools. Gases dissolve. As magma rises, gas exsolves. Bubbles grow. Viscosity decides if gas escapes or stays trapped. Pressure beats the cap. Effusive flow or an explosive blast. Why does any of this matter? Volcanoes build new land,